Welcome to our comprehensive technical tutorial on mastering MLB tool. It's a pro tool for MLB, supporting adding keys for Audi, Porsche, Volkswagen, Lamborghini, Bentley, and other MLB vehicle models. And today we'll equip you with the knowledge and skills to unlock the full potential of this amazing product. Let's take the Audi A for L as an example to illustrate how MLB tool works. MLB tool can work either independently with Key Tool Plus or in conjunction with VVDI tool and PC software. In this video, we'll showcase how it works with Key Tool Plus. Connect MLB tool to Key Tool Plus. The short USB OTG cable should be connected to Key Tool Plus, while the long USB A to C cable needs to be connected to MLB tool. Failure to do so may result in communication issues. Place the original card key in the key identification area of MLB tool. Enter IMO programming. Select Audi. Select by type. Tap MLB Immobilizer Systems. Start programming. Make sure the status of the network connection identification key. Enter connection diagram. Select the corresponding type. Refer to the diagram to remove components and solder the cable. Place the key with the MLB cable connected in the MLB tool key identification area. Collect key data. In actual operation, it is recommended to read the vehicle information first. This way, the calculated IMO file will contain all the IDs of the original vehicle keys. Select the method of data collection. The OEM key here is the VVDI MLB specialized key. Using the VVDI MLB specialized key allows you to calculate the data free of charge points, and each specialized key can only be used to calculate the data once. Select as needed. This process does not require onboard collection. After the collection is completed, the data will be automatically uploaded and calculated. Save the IMO data. The data can be used to make dealer keys and learn keys. Enter Make Dealer Key. Select the file to be loaded. Insert the new key into the key identification area of MLB tool and wait for the operation to complete. Next, perform key learning operations on the vehicle. Turn on the ignition switch. Connect the vehicle to Key Tool Plus. Keep the key close to the sensing coil. Enter Learn Key. Input the number of keys to be learned. Load the IMO data. Click OK to start. The first key learning is completed. Keep the second key close to the sensing coil. Tap on OK. The matching is completed now. Test the key. The smart function of the key is working as expected. Did you gain a better understanding of how to use MLB tool after watching this video? In our next episode, we'll dive deeper into how MLB tool works with VVDI 2. If you're keen to explore further, be sure to follow us for the latest updates.